Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best automotive multimeters on Amazon. If you're planning on messing around with your cars, a multimeter is a necessity. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Astro Eye Multimeter 2000 Counts Digital Multimeter. The price is just too good to pass up, and it's going to work just fine for most automotive projects. It might not be the most prestigious multimeter, but it will test DC voltage, continuity, and resistance, which is all most hobbyists need. This also has a very handy data hold feature and a backlit LCD. All of that is great, but the quality for the price is the real reason it takes our pick for best value. There are many multimeters in its price range, but this far surpasses the majority of them. As good as this multimeter is, it simply doesn't compare to higher-end options. Quality control problems appear to be fairly common, and durability certainly isn't its strong suit. What we like about it? Affordable. Great quality for the price. Backlit LCD. Features data hold function. What we don't like about it? Quality control issues are common. Low durability. Number 2. Klein Tools 600V Auto Ranging Digital Multimeter. Klein's multimeters are another solid choice for folks working on a budget, with the added benefit of getting a tool from one of the best names in the business. This 600V auto ranging multimeter has a lot to offer the DE mechanic. Its backlit LCD screen is easy to read when you're crammed in those dark places. Its data hold function keeps you from repeating numbers until you reach a notepad. The durable case will protect it from the many drops it'll experience during the madness, and the leads and thermocouple with adapter give you options for probing. Unfortunately, this is not the best representation of what Klein Tools is capable of. Accuracy is a concern that you need to take into consideration as you take readings. It's also plagued with the same quality control issues as many in its price range. What we like about it? Affordable. High durability. Backlit display. Features data hold function. What we don't like about it? Low accuracy. Quality control issues are common. Number 3. Fluke 87V Max True RMS Digital Multimeter. The name alone tells you it's the kind of multimeter you can count on for years. If anything, it's over-engineered to handle the many bumps and bruises it'll face under the hood. The dust-proof and waterproof body also ensures you don't need to worry about problems starting from within. This is a professional-level tool that offers the kind of accuracy those especially sensitive jobs demand. Just like you can expect from any professional tool, it's backed by a lifetime warranty to offer you peace of mind with your investment. The biggest issue with this multimeter for many is the price. Few hobbyists will feel compelled to pay the pro-level price for something they're just getting their feet wet with. The other issue to be aware of is that this is a rather bulky unit that can be awkward to handle. What we like about it? High durability. Dust-proof and waterproof case. High accuracy. Limited lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it? Expensive. Bulky. Number 4. Fluke 179 2IMSK Industrial Multimeter Service Kit. Many people who work on their cars tackle a multitude of different projects, and this setup from Fluke is a great way to get started with electrical work. It comes with the high-quality Fluke 179 multimeter that offers the accuracy and supreme durability the brand is known for. The included clamp meter, leads, and accessories that are included make this a solid way for aspiring professionals and serious D'ers to set their sights on industrial and residential projects. What we like about it? Includes clamp meter and accessories. High durability. High accuracy. Solid warranties on meters. What we don't like about it? Expensive. Meter tends to pick up. Number 5. Fluke 101 Digital Multimeter. No, not all Fluke multimeters are massive hunks of equipment, nor are they all massively expensive. The Fluke 101 is the choice for many who want the pro-grade name without the pro-grade price in a package they can easily carry in their pocket. This multimeter is every bit as durable and dependable as you would expect it to be, and it's more than accurate enough for typical automotive electrical projects. It's also hard not to talk about that data hold function that'll keep you from losing your mind. What we like about it: affordable, compact and easy to carry. Features data hold function. High durability. What we don't like about it: no warranty. Non-backlit display. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.